Hello guys, today I have decided to make a video on face pack and this homemade face pack has two qualities actually. First, you can use it as a regular face wash, homemade face wash for cleaning your skin, for cleaning acne scars and all the acne spots or acne on your face, and it will also give you a glowing complexion. Second thing, what you can do with this homemade face pack, that you can make twice a week. You can use it as a face mask, and it will actually change the texture of your skin, and it will also brighten your skin and the color complexion. And it's very easy to make. All the ingredients that I'm going to use, they are easily available either at your home or at your near grocery store. For this recipe you would need 2 tablespoons of gram flour, 1 tablespoon of barley flour, 1 tablespoon of orange peel, or you can take lemon peel, whatever available you have. You would need 1 quarter spoon of turmeric. It's the turmeric that I have grinded at home. If you are buying the packet one, then you have to add less, because they add extra color in a turmeric, so it gives more stain. And 1/4 teaspoon of sandalwood powder. All you have to do, you have to mix all the ingredients together. Your face wash, what you have to do, you have to keep that powder in an airtight jar. All you have to do, every morning you have to take, whenever you want to wash your face actually, just take 1 spoon of this powder, and if your skin is oily, add water or rose water. If your skin is dry, then add milk in this mixture. Put it in your hand and mix it well and apply on your face, and after 2 minutes rub it with your wet hands and then wash your face. This will actually the ingredients in this face wash, like the orange peel and the barley and the gram flour and the sandalwood, what all they do, they will remove your acne scars, they will remove your acne. They will also give you a soft exfoliation. So after applying this, you will feel your skin is getting softer, and it's very mild, so it will not give you wrinkles. It actually helps you to prevent aging. You would need 1 clean bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of this powder. You would need yogurt, 1 teaspoon of honey, mix it well. You can see the consistency, it's not runny or it's not thick, it's just the milder one. Apply this face pack on your face for twice a week. And another benefit of using this face wash every day, that it will gradually remove hair from your face. When you apply this face mask on your face, this face wash on your face, and leave it for a while on your face, let it dry, and then rub it with wet hands, all the face hair you have on your face, they will start reducing. So this is very good face pack for reducing your face hair. If you like my videos, if you like my channel, please comment below, please subscribe, and whenever you try my recipes, let me know how it went, how you felt. It will really help all the other viewers to try those recipes and try and give me the feedback what they have found. Bye bye.